All right, mate, so it started about 2:15 this morning, so we just came, set everything up, set up the light, tower, got everything out, got everything ready for the pour. All right, mate, so it started about 2:15 this morning, so the pump was going at about 3 o'clock, so there was about 10 or 11 of us sort of involved in the process. Got it all down in about 3.5 hours, which is pretty good going. So to put it into perspective, it was about 1,600 squares, which was about 30 odd trucks, so worked out to be just shy of about 240 cubes. So that was a good push by the boys this morning, and then the afternoon is going to see a couple of the lads on the ride-on floats, getting it all smooth and nice, and the other boys just going around tidying up, cleaning up the edges, and getting all ready for the office pour on the Saturday. So it's been a big day.
So the next process is we'll strip all this tomorrow, we'll pour the office slab on Saturday morning, and then we'll start precasting our panels on site. This is what we do, is precast our panels on site. A lot of other competitors bring them in, but it's something that we're really good at, so we take care of the whole thing. So we'll precast the panels on site, then we'll lift them up into place, and then the structural steel will come in. We're hoping to have a roof on before Christmas.